You no can't hire China man folk in a blood clot storeroom, bro. I know that already. I don't keep up fuckers or fool fall. Man, when you blood clot rice every day rice, and fry up blood clot pork and sitting. How they folk in a storeroom? You can't, brother, cook so carry man go buy lunch and buy man so nice, thick blood clot caramel dumpling, brother. You want to buy pussy? Mr. Chin want to buy pussy? Jesus Christ, me rate him away there. Mr. Chin! You want to buy pussy? Any Chinese man who come to Jamaica and want to go buy pussy, me rate him. Me rate him, dog. Mr. Chin! Me can't go to a club, you know. I make him give one girl 10,000 or 5,000 if he get pussy, but if he get 10,000, he get him back 3,000 out of blood clot money. You understand? Clot. You can't, Mr. Chin, working in a store and I in a food, but rice can blood clot working in a store, so nice, thick, calmy, dumping, so yam, sweet potato, and then blood clot sit there. You don't give Mr. Chin to drink. I make him drink 2 dragon mix up with oats, more blood clot while I nutmeg. You can't have me working in a sign pink, As in 2 goods in change color as in pink to blood clot.
You want top on the floor, walk.
I lie down, walk how what you not tell me if you don't you. Sing a lie down. I lie down, you can't lie down on the side no. Lazy good friend. Oh, don't I told you not talk to me in blood clot language if you say my man boy, I should have me walk up here. When me pitch it first, blood clot goods in chest, mash up.
Everything has good stomach. If pussy gonna bathroom. Gas stomach.
Blood clot, yeah.